Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage time zones. Understanding time zones begins with recognizing that our planet is divided into 24 distinct sections, each generally representing a 1-hour difference in local time. The prime meridian, located at 0 degrees longitude, acts as the fundamental reference point for all global time calculations. This system helps standardize time across different geographical regions, making international coordination possible and much simpler to navigate. Calculating time differences accurately is crucial for effective global communication. First, identify the Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, offset for each location you are comparing. Next, subtract the earlier offset from the later one to determine the precise time difference between the two places. Remember to always factor in any daylight saving time adjustments, as these can shift local times by 1 hour and significantly impact your calculations, ensuring you avoid scheduling errors. Leveraging modern time zone tools can greatly simplify managing schedules across different regions. Online converters are incredibly useful for quickly seeing what time it is in multiple locations simultaneously. Many calendar applications also offer features that automatically adjust meeting times based on each participant's time zone, preventing confusion. Additionally, world clocks provide an instant overview of current local times in various cities around the globe, making international planning much more straightforward and efficient. Adopting a few best practices can significantly improve your time zone management. Always double-check and confirm meeting times with all participants to avoid any confusion or missed appointments. For international scheduling, consistently using Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, provides a clear, unambiguous reference point for everyone involved. Finally, remember to be considerate of local holidays and standard business hours in other regions, ensuring your communications are well received and respected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.